ఉండి చేసుకుంటూ ఉండదు. ఇక ఆస్తిపాస్తులు ఉంటే ఓకే, ఈ ఉద్యోగంలో శుభ్రంగా సుఖవంతంగా చేసుకొని ఆ ఆస్తిని కలిగించుకుని తిను. ఎందుకంటే ఈ వయసు ఉంది కాబట్టి, మ్యారేజ్ అవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి పైన ఇంటికి తెలుసు. ఆకులన్నీ వల్ల కూడా తిరుగుతున్నాను. పార్టిసిపేట్ తెలియలేదు.
స్టార్ట్ రికార్డింగ్ అనేది దీంట్లో కూడా చేయాలి కదా మేడం, ఓబిఎస్ లో కూడా. ఓబిఎస్ లో కూడా అక్కర్లేదు మ్యామ్, టీమ్స్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే ఓకే మ్యామ్, ఆల్రెడీ వస్తుంది అనుకుంటున్నాను యూట్యూబ్లోని. అదే మనం
ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే స్టార్ట్
అందులో చెప్పాలి.
ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో
ఓన్లీ డేట్ 12 రోజు సబ్మిట్ చేయాలని చూపిస్తున్నాం. ఫార్మాట్ కూడా బిట్ ఫార్మాట్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను, చేయలేదు.
ఇవాళ FTP సెషన్ నేను చెప్పాలి. అవునా, ఎందులో 2 to 4 JNT వాళ్ళది FTP ఉంది. ఓకే మీరు డీప్ లెర్నింగ్ రోజు యాక్చువల్గా 2 to 5 ఉండాలి. ఇవాళ లాస్ట్ డే.
ఇవాళ లాస్ట్ మరి ఎక్కడ చెప్తారు?
Good afternoon, Sirisha ma'am.
హలో జ్యోతి
Good afternoon, ma'am. Start.
జాయిన్ అయిపోయారా? స్టార్ట్ చేద్దామా?
Yes, ma'am. Sirisha ma'am.
Madam, good afternoon, madam.
హలో శిరీష.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, madam. Shall I share the screen?
జ్యోతి ప్లీజ్ షేర్ 1 minute శిరీష.
Okay.
Let Jyoti introduce. Jyoti
Okay,
please.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. A very good afternoon to one and all. Welcome to 15th day of Faculty Development Program on Emerging Research Trends in Computer Science and Engineering. I read a message Jyoti working as an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology in JNTU GV, University College of Engineering. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our today's resource person, Dr. GNVG Sirisha ma'am. Dr. GNVG Sirisha is an associate professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at SRKR Engineering College. She holds a BTech CSE degree from SRKR Engineering College in 2005, followed by MTech degree in 2008 from the same institution. In 2016, she obtained her PhD in Computer Science and Systems Engineering under the guidance of Professor M. Sashi from Andhra University. With a total work experience of 18 years, she has dedicated 12 years to research. Her areas of specializations include deep learning, machine learning, data mining, data structures, algorithms, advanced data structures, object-oriented programming, data science, Python, and information retrieval. Dr. Sirisha has published 23 papers in national and international journals and conferences and has successfully guided 13 completed master's theses and 1 ongoing. Additionally, she has guided 17 completed BTech theses. Dr. Sirisha has been involved in notable projects, having completed 2 consultancy projects in collaboration with Andhra University with a combined worth of 5 lakhs and 6 lakhs respectively. The project titles were Abstract to Summarization of Text Documents and the Multi-Class Classification of TED Talks as text documents. She has also contributed to the transfer of technology through her participation as a resource person in various workshops and FDPs, such as the Data Science and Its Application System, Online FTP organized by JNTUK, Andhra University and APSI. As a coordinator, Dr. Sirisha has overseen several programs and events, including a 1-year FDP on AI and ML, a 1-week FDP on full stack development, and FDPs on data science and its applications, academic research perspectives, and machine learning. She has also served as a board of studies member for the departments of CSE and AI and ML, and holds the position of curriculum design in charge for the AI and ML branch. In addition to her academic contributions, Dr. Sirisha actively engages in various administrative activities. She has mentored and served as the in charge of the Udacity Machine Learning Engineers Nano Degree program, overseeing the completion of the program by 52 students and 2 faculty members. She has also been a department coordinator for the Women Empowerment Cell for the past 10 years and served as the department coordinator for the PSS cell. Furthermore, she has been SPOC of the Leading India.ai initiative from 2018 to 2020. Dr. Sirisha is a director of the Alumni Association of SRKR Engineering College and holds the position of an Executive Committee member for the Computer Engineering Division at the Institute of Engineers at Bhimavaram Local Center. Now, I would like to invite our today's resource person, Dr. GNPG Sirisha ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Over to you, ma'am.
Okay. Madam, can you see my screen?
No, ma'am.
No, Shirisha.
No.
Jyoti, you stop sharing the screen so that madam can.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Are you able to see the screen, ma'am? No.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you see my PPT?
No, ma'am.
Now I think you can see, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
my
We
PPT.
are able.
Okay. So I hope everyone can see my PPT. Today I want to discuss a few concepts related to the deep learning. So in this lecture, I want to discuss what is deep learning, like what is the history of the deep learning, what are the different types of neural network models, and also want to discuss in detail about convolution neural networks, different types of convolution neural networks, then what is meant by transfer learning, and then a few concepts related to computer vision like object detection, then what are the different RCNN family models which can be used for object detection, then what is image segmentation, and then what are the different frameworks which are available for developing these deep learning models. So when it comes to deep learning, first of all, we need to see from where it has emerged. So first we have what is meant by, let us discuss what is called artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is nothing but the intelligence exhibited by machines of the software. So it is the name which is given to the scientific field which studies how to create computers and computer software that is capable of intelligent behavior. So a sub-branch of this artificial intelligence is machine learning. So machine learning allows machines to learn and infer from data. So it is nothing but a systematic study of algorithms and systems that improve either their knowledge or experience, that improve either their knowledge or performance with experience. So it is a sub-branch of artificial intelligence. It is based on the idea that the systems can learn from data, then they can identify the patterns and make decisions with the minimal human intervention. So deep learning, when it comes to deep learning, it is a subfield of this machine learning. It is concerned with algorithms that are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, called artificial neural networks. So today, let us see what is deep learning, what are the most famous models, deep learning models, and discuss in detail about the computer vision concept in deep learning. So before we go into the details, I think most of you know the difference between this traditional programming, like when we develop software for other applications, and machine learning applications. When we develop the general software, what does the programmer do? He will write a program and give the input, and then the system will generate the output. So the program will be written to solve a given task, and we pass on the input. So that what does the program do? It takes the input and then generates the output. But in the case of machine learning, what do? We give data, which consists of some input and output. So input is nothing but like features, output is something called target variable. So we give the features and target variable, and the system has to develop a model by learning the patterns from the given input and output. So the output is a learned model or a program. So why we need to discuss about deep learning? As all of us know, recently a lot of data is being collected everywhere. So as the amount of data and also as the processing power is very good nowadays when compared to last few decades, we are able to not only collect the data but also analyze the data and also extract some knowledge from the data. So as the amount of data collected gets increased, we can take advantage of that by using the deep learning models, because deep learning models will give you very good performance on any task when you provide them with large amounts of data when compared to any other older learning models or algorithms. But when it comes to the earlier learning algorithms, their performance have increased to only a certain extent as you pass large amounts of data to them. Means you can see as the amount of data which is passed to the model increases, the performance of both the older models as well as deep learning models has increased up to a certain extent. But beyond that, what is happening? The traditional models or the traditional machine learning models performance gets saturated. Means even if you pass any amount of data, performance will not increase further. But for deep learning models, they will give you good performance as you give good amount of quality data to them. So what are the applications of deep learning? Actually, deep learning has many applications. Let us say a few of them. First one is image recognition, where we